Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking the essentials so enrollment goes smoothly. Make sure your Motorola is updated and charged above 20%. This avoids interruptions. Once done, clean your finger and remove any screen protector that covers the sensor area because sensors read skin texture. Now open Settings, tap Security or Biometrics, then Fingerprint. You'll be prompted to set or confirm a PIN, pattern, or password. Do that first. After confirmation, tap Add Fingerprint and place your finger on the sensor to start the first scans. You're in the middle of the process, so focus on accurate captures. Follow the on-screen prompts, press the fingerprint sensor repeatedly, lifting and repositioning slightly each time so the system records center and edge ridges. Make small rolls of the finger to register sides. This improves unlock reliability. Keep pressure steady, not too hard, not too light, and vary angle a bit. If scans fail, dry your finger and sensor, then try again. Once the progress meter reaches near complete, you'll be ready for finishing steps. Finish by naming the fingerprint and enabling any options for lock screen, apps, or payments. You should immediately test locking and unlocking multiple times from different angles to confirm reliability. If recognition is inconsistent, add a second finger or re-enroll the same finger while focusing on edges. A key troubleshooting step. Wipe the sensor with a microfiber cloth, ensure the OS is up to date, then delete and re-enroll a failing fingerprint. If problems persist, reboot the phone and retry. Persistent hardware faults may need service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.